Tusumeka wants to divorce Hlati. She says her marriage is beyond repair after the Mandlas gave her a lecture that she married Hlati knowing that he was married to her sister. Zoleka is doing too much. Ufuna wanting Laz to take over the family business while Udabs and everyone wants it to be Uazande. And Dabs won't see this coming. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. So Zoleka is busy whispering in Lazarus' ear, Guti, if they combine Khusela Tech with Ingugana Industries, it's going to be huge. It's going to be protected from our enemies and from all the enemies that keep on hacking it and blah blah blah. Lazarus feels like Khusela is his baby. He built it from scratch, from nothing. Like it's his own baby. He doesn't want it combined with anything or falling under anything else. But Uzola keeps on pushing. The family comes, they got a house, they bought a house, Joburg. Now they're moving to Joburg. So bazohlala apha, babekufuchana noZoleka noSiqibo. Now, uZoleka is busy ke ngatfit yakhe yomakoti, ubusy uyakotiza ugel umakoti kaNgqungana. But what they don't know is that uZoleka is busy pushing for uLazarus to take over. Akafuni uZande abe the one that's leading while her husband is here. Dabs comes to see Khusela Tech again. Sees Lazarus was a sevenza. Lazarus gives credit to Zoleka saying she's the one that's doing all the amazing work, blah blah blah. Dabs is excited. With our family, so Ngugana manje, we're going to lead us to the right direction. Lazarus is now thinking good as the way after hearing Dabs speaking about you like that, affirming how great of a person you are, great of a leader you are. It got me thinking. Now Lazarus is starting to see the picture that Zoleka has been selling to him. Uguti, she's thinking about the future of their children, legacy, generational wealth, blah blah blah. And Zoleka convinces him to speak to his dad about it. Now they're sitting at a family table having dinner. Dabs is going on and on about how this whole thing is working out. Azandu Zolida, Uzoleka was talking about this generational wealth thingy. Ngugana bazoba one of those successful families that have it all. Abachebileyo. Now, Utata Lazarus wants to hear about this whole plan that Zoleka was talking about. But then they can't bring it up on the table because it's still a sensitive matter. So, Unangaba saved the day by saying, no man, let's just have dinner as a family, sege business. Hey, kwamabandla kushubile uThumeka is going all out busy spitting like ukhihla amagwebu saying ukuthi uHlathi if it was the situation was reversed uHlathi wouldn't kill uQhawe to save uLekamva. So now uThumeka went on and on. Now umndeni wants to know ukuthi uThumeka was not angagqeki uHlathi was not trying to replace their son ngoba vumile that day emfumana ebambo bavumile. He was just grieving, and that uHlathi is a good dad. Of course, he's got his mistakes. Tutulan went on and on at theater. And then Tsiki also attacked Thumeka. She must stop acting as a victim. Bizekhala Lana, she got with uHlathi, knowing exactly what she was getting herself into. And uHlathi was already married to her sister, but uThumeka waqhubeka wamngena, wamzalela nabantwana, wamchat. Now, the situation is messed up. Lukhanya stood up for Thumeka saying, no man, you guys can't be attacking Siswam. uHlathi knew what he was doing. Engeno Thumeka amzalisa nabantwana. He knew exactly what he was doing. So uHlathi was like, no man, let's stop pointing fingers at each other. No one's innocent here. Mina Thumeka, we made our mistakes, but Suno Sapolwetu and we love our family. uHlathi says he loves his wife and wants her to come back. uThumeka what he has in she agrees with him in the impazamo zakhe, and no one forced her to do that, to marry uHlathi, to stay with uHlathi, to bear children for him, or to raise uQhawe. But what she wants now is that she doesn't want this marriage anymore. uHlathi asked her to come back at uzobuya, but only to pack her bags because she's divorcing uHlathi. Akasafuni nje ukubuya apha. This marriage is beyond repair. It cannot be saved. Akasafuni nje ukubuya. Like losing Likamva made her realize that akukho mtshato apha, and she does not want to be part of it anymore. The shock bengakholwanga angasamamatheki uLukhanyo because he's happy sebamshiya nemvuthuluka uHlathi. He's going to be left all alone. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.